Plug power cable. Insert USB cable to connect laser machine with your PC. Turn on the machine. Install the software. Copy the software folder from USB disk to your PC. Install the software. Install the driver for software. Press up-down to find the right focal length. Adjust the holder size to fit the materials. Press pause and open the door, then press FE to check the marking position. Press reset and start to start auto marking. The machine will automatic stop after marking materials all be finished. The buzzer will sound to remind you that the marking is finished. How to exchange the materials with different size. Adjust the size of holder and jig to fit the materials with different size. Note, as you see, you should adjust. It can pass through only if placed. Can't pass are placed. Load the materials and uncheck the marking files. Press Reset and start to transporting material to marking position. Press pause and open the door. Then press FE in software to check the marking position. Close the door before you start auto-marking, otherwise, the laser will stop for protection. Press Reset and start auto-marking. After you learn to operate the auto laser marker, you can mark different size of metal plate. Keep in mind, plate better be over 1 mm thickness.